Hi, this is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead, and today I wanted to show you how to make easy Navajo tacos. Isn't that fry bread beautiful? Here's the secret, right here. You simply take 2 biscuits, put them in flour, roll them out to the appropriate size. Now, my husband and I have made the traditional Indian fry bread several times, many times. But sometimes you're in a hurry and you want to make a nice meal for your family and you need to do it quick. And you don't have time to make Indian fried bread, which, in my opinion, is one of the best things ever. It's just that simple. It only takes a few minutes to brown your hamburger, cut up your lettuce and tomatoes. All you have to do is roll it out. joining me today at Amen Acres Homestead and for this little short video that's wonderful anytime. Please subscribe, like, share us on your social media, and please comment. We'd like to know what you'd like to see, and we'll do what you ask, probably. Thank you. Have a lovely day.